Welcome to this mini audio lecture titled The Truth About Sugar and Your Health. In the next few minutes, we'll take a deep and urgent look at how sugar impacts your body, your mind, and your long-term health. This audio presentation is designed to be short, clear, and eye-opening, something you can listen to anywhere, anytime. So whether you're commuting, walking, or just taking a break, take this moment for yourself, because what you're about to hear could change the way you see sugar forever. Have you ever wondered how something so sweet could be so dangerous? We live in a world where sugar is everywhere, hidden in our breakfast cereals, lurking in our sauces, disguised in our drinks. It's sold to us as comfort, as reward, as happiness. But today, I want to talk to you about the truth. The truth about sugar and your health. Because this isn't just about diet. This is about your life. Your family. Your future. Let's start with what sugar really is. When we say sugar, we're often talking about added sugars, those refined, processed sweeteners that are poured into our food to make it more addictive, more palatable, and yes, more profitable. We're not talking about the natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables, those come packaged with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. We're talking about the sugar that's added to sodas, snacks, pastries, and even so-called healthy foods like granola bars and yogurt. The average person today consumes over 17 teaspoons of added sugar every single day. That's more than double the recommended amount. And it's not just adults. Our kids are growing up addicted to sweetness. Their taste buds are being hijacked from the moment they can hold a spoon. But here's the thing, sugar isn't just an ingredient. It's a silent poison. And for many of us, it's slowly, quietly destroying our health. Let's talk about what sugar is really doing inside your body. Every time you consume added sugar, your blood glucose spikes. Your pancreas kicks in to produce insulin, a hormone meant to shuttle that sugar into your cells. But the more sugar you consume, the more insulin your body has to make. Over time, your cells become resistant to it. That's called insulin resistance, and it's one of the first steps toward type 2 diabetes. But it doesn't stop there. Sugar is inflammatory. It increases the risk of heart disease. It accelerates aging. It affects your mood, your sleep, your energy, your brain function. It's been linked to fatty liver disease, obesity, even some types of cancer. And perhaps the most heartbreaking thing? It's addictive. Studies show that sugar lights up the same brain pathways as drugs like cocaine. Think about that. We are feeding our bodies, and our children's bodies, with something that manipulates the brain into craving more and more, while slowly breaking us down from the inside out. I know this isn't easy to hear. And trust me, I'm not judging anyone. I've seen this in my own family and close friends. People I love, struggling with fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, and disease, all while unknowingly fueling the fire with sugary foods they believed were harmless. We've been lied to. For decades, we were told fat was the enemy. Meanwhile, sugar crept into everything. And now, we're facing the consequences, skyrocketing rates of obesity, prediabetes, and metabolic syndrome. This is no longer just a personal problem. This is a public health crisis. But here's the good news. You have the power to change everything. You don't have to be a prisoner to sugar. Start small. Begin by reading labels. Sugar hides under many names: fructose, sucrose, glucose, corn syrup, dextrose, maltodextrin. If it ends in O's, it's probably sugar. And if it's listed in the top 3 ingredients, put it back on the shelf. Cut back on sugary drinks. Even fruit juices can be loaded with hidden sugars. Opt for water, sparkling water with lemon, or herbal teas. Retrain your taste buds. It is possible. It just takes time and intention. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. One step at a time. You deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve energy, clarity, vitality. You deserve a future that isn't dictated by preventable disease. Your children deserve it too. So the next time you reach for that sugary treat, I want you to pause. Ask yourself, is this feeding my body? Or is it feeding a habit? You are stronger than any craving. You are smarter than the marketing. And you are worth the effort it takes to reclaim your health. Let this be the moment you decide to take control. Because the truth about sugar is that it's stealing too much from us. And it's time we took it back.